I'm sure you've heard the news. It's time to see which tank reigns supreme, the M1 Abrams or the T-90. First up, the M1 Abrams. Born in 1980, this beast boasts composite armor that's tough as nails, a turbine engine that roars with power, and a 120 mm gun that hits with pinpoint accuracy. But beware, high maintenance costs and a thirst for fuel can make this a pricey partner. Speed, it zooms at 68 kilometers per H price tag, around $6 to $8 million. Enter the T-90. Rolling out since 1989, it packs effective composite armor and active defense systems. Lighter on the wallet, it's cheaper to build and maintain. However, its fire accuracy and tech might lag behind the Abrams. Speed, 60 kilometers per H price, a cool $4 to $5 million. In summary, the M1 Abrams dazzles with tech and armor, but at a steep cost. The T-90, a budget-friendly warrior with solid mobility. Which would you choose in this battle of the beasts? Let us know in the comments.